Hey, Jim Parr here, and I'm going to show you how to move a WordPress website from one server to another server. So essentially, I have two websites. I have one on a build website and where we developed it, and I'm moving it over to another server. So in this video, we're going to show you how to move it easily, back it up, whatever you want to do with all the plugins and everything. So watch this video. So we're here we have two websites up. Virtually, I have a developer's website and I have the current website. What I want to do is move all the information in this WordPress site and overwrite this WordPress site. So what it's going to do, it's going to overwrite the plugins, everything. It'll warn you of that. And but it's a good way to back up a site because you have a backup and it's in a different version than like a zip file, but it's really easy to use. So basically you're just going to go on your plugins and on your first development site where you built it, whether it's a local server or what I use is another domain, and you're going to want to download this all-in-one migration, WP migration tool, and activate that plugin. Once you've done that, you're just going to click on the all-in-one activation. You'll see it in the left-hand side once it's activated. And you're just going to click export. And it's going to ask you a couple questions. As you can see here, export data. There's a few settings up here. Just disregard those. We can X those out for now. And we'll take care of those when we get over to the other side. So we're just going to export to, and you have options. You can export to a Dropbox, Amazon storage, just about anything here. And the good thing is you could set up a Dropbox for all your backups and put them all there of your client sites, say if you're working on client sites. And you can even use FTP. We're just going to back up the file. And as you can see, it's preparing to export the backup. It really doesn't take that long, although it can take longer depending on the size of the website. It can do up to 512 megabytes for free, and anything over that you'd have to buy the pro version. The pro version of the plugin, I'll leave a link below, but it's not very expensive. I'm not sure the exact price, and I'm not going to say because I'm not sure when you're watching this video. But we're going to let this export here. And once that exports, we're just going to go over to our other site, and we'll go ahead and do that right now. And we're just going to look for plugins while that one's exporting. And I have already put that all-in-one WP migration plugin over here. So basically is what we want to do is just go to this, and what we're going to do is we're going to import this file into the new site. So that'll overwrite everything in here. I'm going to pause the video until this backup is completed. So now you can see we've got the file here. So we're just going to click on that, and you can see it download right here. So that'll back up onto file or Dropbox, wherever you put it. And then we're just going to grab it and put it over there. Okay, we got that file now. We got the all-in-one on our new site. So we're going to import. We're just going to click on import. And basically, we can just drag and drop this file over. So we're going to go ahead and do this. And now it's importing. And once this is completed, that's all you have to do. There's no other settings that you have to do after that. This will take a few minutes to do, but basically it just overwrites your site and it's a done deal. So we'll pause this and show you what it looks like after we're done. So you can see now it's finishing up the import. And it just asked to overwrite the files, so we're overwriting those files, and shortly after that your site will be complete and we'll be able to see what's going on. So we're 95% complete, and now we're restoring the database. So it's pulling in the database material from this site over to this site. We can close this out, and you can see the data is imported successfully. So we just need to set the permalinks, and being this is a store, add in your keys and whatever for authorized.net or your WooCommerce. So we'll just hit that. We're going to go into our settings, and we're going to look for permalinks. And of course we want post name on this, so we're going to log in. At this time it's just going to be a simple login, being it came from the development site, and we can change those passwords. So we're just going to select post name, and we're going to go ahead and save this. And so that's completed. There's a couple settings in here, but we updated our permalinks and everything, so we're going to go in and finish everything off. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, add your comments into the comment section below, questions, answers for everybody, and hit that notification bell if you want to see my other videos I put out every single week. Thanks for watching.